can't wait to see the two taklas now.
I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to meeting the two judges and the third judge, the new one.
Hi Prachi, you're looking very fresh.
I'm feeling fresh, I'm feeling excited, but I'm also very nervous inside right now.
Why are you nervous?
I'm going to face them. I mean, these people are the toughest judges in the country.
Hi. How are you? Please, please, please. Hi, Prachi.
Hi.
अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए. प्राची.
Well, मेरा नाम प्राची अग्रवाल है. मैं कोलकाता.
I know आप रिहर्स करके आई हैं. कुछ और बताइए. Don't give me your CV. Tell me
Okay.
something interesting about you.
I am a very interesting person. मैं काफी talented हूँ. For example, I can count all my teeth using my tongue. You know, not many people can do that. I'll tell
What
you.
can't you do? Counting? This is fun. This is actually. This is her talent. This is her entertainment routine. No, this is your yeah.
Okay, ये एक joke था. I mean,
You are funny.
मैंने ये like
I know.
seriously नहीं कहा है. Okay, so you don't have like.
Okay, now quickly. How many teeth do you have?
Okay, let me count. I think.
You're not counting. You've
one-
counted it.
Let me count it for you. 28. I'll tell you why, because wisdom tooth तो नहीं आया आपके.
How many teeth do you have, Prachi?
I can count other
I have
people's
32.
teeth using my tongue.
32. I can't confirm that obviously, but I don't think that's true.
32 नहीं. आपके.
Don't.
Look,
I'll tell you why.
मेरे पास दिमाग है.
नहीं
Okay.
दिमाग. No.
आप शायद.
Wait.
No, it's not funny. मेरे पास दिमाग है. And I don't know why you people are like trying to pull my leg, but okay, I have brains.
प्राची, you must answer me now. आपको ये कहने की जरूरत क्यों महसूस हुई कि मेरे पास दिमाग है, मेरे पास दिमाग है?
नहीं, क्योंकि आप किसी ने अभी कहा कि she cannot have wisdom teeth, isn't it?
Would it surprise you to know that wisdom teeth have got nothing to do with wisdom?
Exactly.
ना, but आप लोग ये
brains.
जो क्रैक कर रहे थे, इसीलिए मैंने ये कहा.
Right now, I like you, and you're the first person today who, so far, I've liked.
It's likable.
That's the good news. I'll tell you the bad news. Most boys will like you.
Most boys?
Will like you.
Okay.
That's the bad news.
It's not bad news. I like attention.
I'll tell you why it's bad news.
Okay.
Because most boys like not being threatened by smart girls.
I don't get that. Most boys don't like being threatened. मतलब मैं लोगों को
Listen, she has brains, okay? Don't talk to her like that.
She doesn't get it right now. She. Actually,
I do get it.
मैंने आपके बारे में 3 चीजें लिखी हैं.
Okay.
चौथी चीज भी लिख के देता हूं आपको. Here. Sit down. एक पॉइंट को डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है? Read the first one aloud.
Okay. Proud of your looks.
Am I correct?
मैं इस चीज को लेके खुश हूँ कि मुझे भगवान ने ऐसा बनाया. ठीक है, मैं ये नहीं कहती कि मैं इस दुनिया की सबसे सुंदर लड़की हूँ समथिंग, बट ओवरऑल आई एम सैटिस्फाइड विद द वे आई लुक.
आपके यहाँ आंसर्स हैं. Have you ever flirted with anyone on the internet? You mean the question is, if the internet has ever flirted with me? Yeah, all the time.
Yeah.
What is the weirdest thing that you have done to impress someone of the opposite sex?
I knew that.
Must have smiled at a compliment they gave me. No, I'm really not the kind to go and try and impress anyone, even if I secretly like the person. आपको पसंद है वो लड़का, मगर आप कभी कुछ नहीं, आप वेट करेंगे कि वो आपको आके नोटिस करे, कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे. You're proud of your looks. Your pride is what stops you.
नहीं, it's not pride. This is not because of pride.
आप proud नहीं अपने looks को लेके. आप vain हो.
Vain. This you cannot even try to refute.
नहीं.
शीशे में बहुत देखते हैं आप अपने आप.
अगर आप एक कार को क्रॉस करेंगे तो उसके शीशे में आप
That's right.
आप उसके शीशे में अपने आप को चेकआउट करती हैं, है ना?
इनफैक्ट मैं ऐसा नेचर है कि मैं हर चलते फिरते कार के
शीशे में अपने आप को देखती है.
Yeah.
You're vain. Next line. My next point about you.
Used to getting your way.
Put it down. Yes or no?
Yeah.
You are. आपने यहाँ 2 जगह लिखा हुआ है. एक, अगर आपके घर वाले आपके बॉयफ्रेंड को अप्रूव नहीं करते, आप क्या करेंगे? I'll get some cool astrologer guy to convince my parents that he's the one for me. You're my.
It's one of my favorite answers by far.
Yeah. Second is, I'm sweet enough to get my way. है ना? Whatever written over there.
Used to getting your way.
Now I'll tell you the fact. You're manipulative.
Yeah.
You are right.
अगर सिचुएशन डिमांड करता है तो मैं थोड़ा मैनिपुलेटिव हो सकता.
Very good. Third point पढ़िए.
Childish.
You said you were mature. I'll say you're actually very, very childish. There are things that, या इसके या सक्सेस और ऑनेस्टी के बीच में क्या? नहीं, ऐसा क्यों है? I want.
I am childish. लेकिन अगर सिचुएशन डिमांड करता है तो मैं मैच्योर्ड हो सकती हूँ.
अब ये चौथा पॉइंट, पेज मोड़िए और पढ़िए ऊपर.
डम.
डू यू एग्री विद दैट?
ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं डम नहीं हूँ. ओके, आई मीन डम. Sorry.
There is a reason why you sat down and you said, I have brains.
The reason I've explained.
The reason is that you felt we thought you were dumb. What do you feel about bimbos? I'm not calling you a bimbo right now. Bimbos के बारे में, you know what a bimbo is, right?
Yeah.
Hot or pretty girl, बिल्कुल दिमाग से पैदल. That's a bimbo. उनके बारे में क्या राय है आपकी? Do you respect that or?
राय क्या होगा? I mean, मैंने कभी बैठ के सोचा नहीं है कि why is this girl a bimbo or what.
No, not
मुझे
why,
actually बहुत एक stereotyped attitude लगता है. Like
Prachi,
seriously.
do you want me to talk slower so you can understand what I'm saying? Because मेरे question और आपके answer में कोई connection नहीं है.
मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है कि why every pretty girl is considered dumb.
Some pretty girls.
लड़की बेवकूफ नहीं होती है,
some pretty
लेकिन
girls.
बहुत सारी खूबसूरत लड़कियां अक्सर
नहीं, मैं
अभी
अगली
assume कर रहे
बहुत
हैं.
अगली गर्ल्स को भी जानती हूँ जो बिल्कुल बेवकूफ है. तो उनके लिए तो कोई टर्म नहीं है.
There are
क्यों?
no
क्यों
ugly
नहीं?
girls.
प्राची, आप ये assume कर रहे हैं कि हम आपको pretty बोल रहे हैं.
नहीं, I'm not saying. I'm answering your question on bimbos.
आप एक बिम्बो नहीं है.
नहीं हूँ.
A bimbo is pretty and dumb. You're pretty dumb.
I'm not dumb. I'm not dumb.
आपका apartheid के बारे में क्या राय है?
ये क्या होता है?
Exactly.
You know who Mahatma Gandhi is?
Yeah.
You know he was in South Africa
Yeah.
fighting something. He was. What was it?
नेल्सन मंडेला का नाम सुना है?
Yeah.
Why was he jailed?
I don't know all that.
Commonwealth Games हुई. Who was in charge of them?
Politically.
Okay, I know this name.
He was sacked.
Who's the chief minister of West Bengal?
Wait.
I don't know. मुझे particularly किसी चीज में interest
Makeup?
नहीं है. In fact, I'm just interested in dressing up myself.
Dressing up.
What's a boat cut?
Boat cut, the cut of.
Could you say it louder, please?
The cut off a boat. I know it's a dumb answer. I know. मुझे नहीं पता क्या है.
Boat cut नहीं पता.
You
मैं
know
समझ
who
रहा
Lady
हूँ.
Gaga is? She's an eccentric dresser. Madame Tussauds में कितने looks हैं उसके? हर माइकल जैक्सन का एक है.
उसके 26
मिस्टर बच्चन का एक है, शाहरुख खान का है. उसके इतने सारे क्यों हैं?
उनसे पूछिए ना, मुझसे क्यों पूछिए?
Who's Madame Tussauds?
हाँ?
Who's Madame Tussauds?
She is this woman जो like wax statues बनाती है.
Madame Tussauds एक म्यूजियम का नाम है.
Just because I don't know about these things doesn't mean I'm dumb.
I'm
okay?
asking you, what do you know about?
I know about myself.
हमने वो ट्राई कर चुके हैं और with disastrous results.
It wasn't disastrous. You don't want to understand what I'm trying to say.
What are your reasons to be on roadies?
मुझे लगता है कि अगर मैं रोडी में आऊंगी तो एटलीस्ट 2-3 साल के लिए लोग मुझे पहचानेंगे. I really want that. मुझे बहुत fame.
Would you want to win roadies or you just want to be on roadies and enjoy the fame?
I want to enjoy the fame.
Winning is not.
Winning is not important.
I want
mileage
to
चाहिए.
win. I want to win because मैं चाहती हूँ कि जब मैं घर वापस जाऊँ तो लोग ये नहीं कहे ये रोडीज में जाकर चली गई
sure
एक
about this?
प्लेस इसने
Because-
मिस कर दिया. I want कि जब मैं जाऊँ तो I feel good कि हाँ मैंने एक अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया है.
I like the fact that she's truthful.
Yeah, she's
Can I-
very
can I-
truthful.
Fame
आप fake नहीं है और ये बात हमें पसंद है. Thank you for coming, Prachi.
Thank you, Prachi.
Goodbye.
That's right.
कैसा गया?
It was okay. मुझे लगता है कि मैं शायद थोड़ा और अच्छा कर सकती थी या पता नहीं. I don't know if the judges are impressed or not. अभी मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
इसके जितने ही है ना, I deserve fame. Prachi, you don't deserve fame. अच्छे दिखने वाले लड़कियों से दुनिया भरी हुई है. टैलेंट आप में रत्ती भर का नहीं है. अक्ल उससे भी कम है.
मैंने उनसे कहा कि मैं न्यूज़पेपर नहीं पढ़ती हूँ. मुझे नहीं पता उसके बारे में. Still they are asking questions. They're calling me a bimbo. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा.
The interesting thing about her is that she is dumb.
She is, yeah.
She has superpower. She is super
उसको
dumb.
कोई question पूछ लो ना उसका आंसर नहीं आता.
Thank you. Next.